Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review a lot of Flower Beauty products. So Flower Beauty products are available at Nykaa, so I thought let me try a few of the products and see how this goes on. So I have used a lot of Flower Beauty products. Today you can see the brow is also different. So if you want to know how I have created this look and also all about the products, then keep on watching. And also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna quickly finish off my base, like the primer and the foundation. I don't have primer and foundation from Flower Beauty. I do have brow products and concealer, so I'm gonna quickly finish off my base. So the first product I'm going to use from Flower Beauty is this concealer. This is the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. So I tried to swatch it in my hand. It looks quite good. It seems to be dark and it is in the shade medium deep. They have darker shade of this, I think. Yeah, they have one more darker shade, I think deep or something, but this is medium deep. It feels quite good, quite creamy. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and using the pointed end I am trying to blend it. First I'm gonna try my forehead. Yeah, I can see it has given quite pretty good coverage. You can see the concealer has given me quite good coverage. It is similar to Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I think this has more coverage than Maybelline Fit Me, but the consistency feels like that. Next I have this compact powder from Flower Beauty. This is the Light Illusion Protecting Powder in the shade Caramel. So it seems to be quite dark. I try to swatch it on the back of my hand. Yeah, it almost disappears in my hand, so the shade is quite good. So I'm gonna take this powder. It is quite powdery, so I'm gonna use this powder to set my concealer. You can see it is a little bit darker also. I think I can go the shade number a little bit lighter than this. They have couple of shades of this. So I'm gonna set all areas wherever I have put the concealer. The concealer and the powder is very good. Till now I have used two products and they are very good. Next I like to bake my under eyes because there is no loose powder. I don't have a loose powder. So I'm gonna bake my under eyes using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25. Generally I use 30, but today I lightly want to brighten up my under eyes because the powder whatever I have used is slightly darker. So I'm gonna use this shade number 25 and I'm gonna bake my under eyes. Basically I'm gonna put excess of powder under my eyes. Next I'm gonna move into my brows. For brows I have got two products from Flower Beauty. This is the Flower Beauty Draw the Line eyebrow pencil in the shade Dark Brunette. It has a spoolie at one end and another end you have the twister. Also I have one more product. This is the Brow Vixen Tattoo Effect Stain in the shade Espresso. You can see the end is quite pointed. I'm super excited to see how my brows comes out today. First I'm gonna fill in my brows using the pencil. The brow product is quite creamy. So you need very less pressure to apply this. I think the shade Dark Brunette looks very good on my skin tone. Now the next shade Tattoo Effect Stain I'm gonna use in the shade Espresso. It is slightly lighter because I want my front hair to be lighter. I'm gonna make hair-like strokes. I think quite good. In these areas I don't have much brows, so I have made I think very nice hair like strokes. So next I'm gonna put some concealer and clean up the edges mostly, and also I'm gonna prime my eyelid. So this is how my brow looks after I have primed my eyelid and clean up my brows. So next I have few products. This is the Lift and Sculpt contouring palette. It is light to medium. So I'm gonna take this contouring shade. It is quite powdery I found, and try to contour my face. Very light contour I can see. So I'll try to contour my nose also. Also taking the fluffy brush, I'll try to contour my eyelid because I don't have the eyeshadow palette, so I'm using this one as eyeshadow palette. This contouring palette has a blush also, so it is quite pigmented and it is a matte blush. So I'm gonna take this on my eyelid using my finger. Yeah, it is going to be a very beautiful blush. It is a pink shade. So next I'm gonna take the highlighter. So I'm gonna use this highlighter to my, oh my god, it is similar to the Wet n Wild highlighter, so this is too much for me. I'll remove from the cheeks. So the contouring palette is quite good. Next I'm gonna move into blushes. I have these two blushes. These are the Flower Pores Powder Blush. I have the shade, this one is Peach Primrose and another is Wild Rose. This is of peachy shade and this is bright pink. I have recently got some Milani blushes and the packaging looks quite similar. I think this is more smaller, so I'll take a fluffy brush. So first I'll try this peach one. Wow, it is quite pigmented. to show you guys the shade, I'm gonna take the Wild Rose. It's a pink shade. And these both are matte blushes. These are quite pigmented. So for this look, because I put pink in my eyelid, I'm gonna go for the pink only. So I'm gonna remove the excess with my powder brush. I have just fixed my base. I put a little bit of bronzer and all, highlighter, everything. And also for my lower lashes, I've used the bronzer. Next I'm gonna use this. This is the Flower Beauty Style If Liquid Eyeliner. This has a very long felt tip applicator. So I'm gonna make a wing liner using this. So I made a wing liner with this. Like, this felt tip applicator is a little bit long, so the ends of your wing, it is a little bit tough. But if you want to make a thin line around your eyes, it will be easy. Since the applicator is a little bit thick, long, so it is slightly difficult. But I like the liner. Actually, it does not have any shine. It does not transfer also, and it is quite black also. So it's a good product. Next I'm going to use this lipstick. Actually this came free, like I ordered from Nykaa all the things, and then this lipstick came free. This is the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Color, and I have the shade 055 Berry More Matte. Pigmentation is quite good. So these are all the products that I have got from Flower Beauty. So I'm gonna put some mascara and lashes and get back with my final thoughts. So I have put some lashes. These are the PAC M71 lashes, and also slightly contouring, like I have used some other eyeshadow, slightly contour my crease. It was looking a little bit light. And also for my lower lash line, I have added a little bit of shadow. But about all the Flower Beauty products, I would say the brow product was quite good. I have created very long thick brows using this, and I think they are looking quite good. And blushes are also good. I think most of the products are a little bit powdery. I think the blush and all these things, whatever I've used, is good. The concealer is also good. I did not have creasing. I'm wearing this almost 1 hour now, so I don't see any creasing under my eyes, not near my mouth also. All good. The concealer, compact powder, everything is good. But yeah, they are a little bit powdery, that you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, yeah, everything looks good. And they don't feel goes on patchy. Neither the blush or highlighter or anything does not goes on patchy. Everything is good. So yeah, these are my thoughts about the Flower Beauty products. I like these products. I'll be using for my next tutorials and all. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.